The first thing I noticed about this KN filter was just how nice the materials are. It's made of this kind of rubbery material on the outside that seriously is like tough, but also kind of soft at the same time. It's very surprising. It's also got this really nice and thick metal mesh on the inside, and it looks like there's some sort of foam in between the metal slots. It's even got the K&N logo here on the side with Select. This is obviously a smaller filter. This is meant to fit a Toyota Corolla, the one that I have right here, but K&N makes a variety of sizes, so obviously check the size of your car's filter and make sure you get the right one. This easily installs, and installs the exact same way as a regular filter. Obviously, it's kind of the same shape, so you just throw it in the way you would a regular paper filter, and the big difference is this will last the lifetime of your car instead of just, 6 months, a year. It's really, really, really handy, especially because you can just pull it out, wash it, put it back in. Crazy, super nice. I'm very happy that I don't have to replace this with a new filter. Whenever I need a new filter, I can just clean this one. It's also a one-piece design, so as you can see, you can even kind of see it in here if I pull it apart. The metal mesh and the rubber is all kind of molded in one piece, which makes this just super heavy duty. Like, I'm not worried about this thing breaking. Obviously, I'm not going to sit here and try to rip it up because I actually want to use it. But with air flowing through it, I really doubt this thing will break. And I mean, it's even got a 10-year warranty on it, so really not bad. It's got a double screen mesh, so on this side and on this side, two different sets of mesh. Overall, I really like this filter. I think if you're looking for a reusable filter, K&N does an amazing job with this one specifically. I will have to give update reviews as it gets older, but just based on it coming out of the box, very, very nice filter. I am very surprised with this product. And if you're looking for something like this, I think this is the way to go.